show. Today is Monday. Now, Ministry Monday, but today now anyhow Monday. Boys are not smiling. Guests are not smiling. Everything is not all right. My name Nakatimi Isibit. Yours day on the wheels of steels. Yo, give it up. DJ, to the D.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. Incredible. The most wanted DJ.
That's it.
DJ Easy Beats.
You better recognize. Hey. This hype work, no, you
didn't try. You didn't try.
Easy, please. This hype work, if you don't chop belly food, there's no need. You cannot do it. On Top Night Show today, now anyhow Monday, hashtag anyhow Monday. Send us una tweet message at W Night Show, hashtag anyhow Monday. Now, on Top Night Show, I want to ask una, I beg you, una see fuel? Where fuel go? They say fuel, they scarce. Fuel, they scarce, meaning that something is missing. Abi, you can search and search and you cannot find. So where fuel carry in lake go? Who get the gist about fuel and how much you buy fuel from an area? We won't start the show like that on Top Night Show today. Send us WhatsApp message. Send us tweet message at W Night Show. Send us Facebook message. Facebook.com/W Night Show.
All right.
You see how you take come work?
You know funny, oh. You know funny. I thought.
You waka come?
Not be smart. You know when you go reach somewhere, you can't look and say this journey not gonna make sense. You can't transit. You know when you vehicle reach somewhere, you think you're off. Because I be not the Lagos through the weekend.
Where
but
you
know
go,
funny.
you go home?
Yeah, I be go beside. But the thing not funny. No
But there,
fear. Yes. No, the thing just bloody for there.
I don't know. See, it depends. And it's not yet Christmas. Now Christmas.
A liter was like 200, 150, 180 or thereabouts.
How una manage go work today? Muna call us, Muna tell us una story. Meanwhile, aside that, you anyhow want see show today, you go take them. Because, like I say, boys are not smiling, girls are not smiling. Motor self, not they smile. Nothing is working. Anybody where waka go work, waka come by, you go know say it's not funny and it's not beans. If you buy your fuel 200 naira a liter, I don't know, maybe I do a sign of end times. I don't know. I just don't know. But before we enter on our tweet message and all those things, I don't know when person they go thief. I don't believe say you get anybody when small, when not a thief. At least you go thief meat, you go thief tin tomatoes, you go thief soft drink, you go thief eraser, you go thief ruler. That one day all right. The problem be say when you decide to increase and go a step further and say, okay,
PhD.
You know, I want to go, you know, a top notch and begin to thief things like meat in bulk, plenty meat at the same time. If person want thief plenty meat, where you go think say they go hide the meat? And not be man, na woman. Two women's decide say they want thief meat. What's in be this? They come they plaster them on top for their body, their belly area, and their bobby. Come wear cloth on top. Me, I won't ask how they take cash them. This kind one, how they take, no, really, how they take cash them?
No, probably
they put sensor for their body or how?
Oh boy.
But this kind meat, where this... No. Okay. So, as they tip this thing, come on, people will know them, come see, say, be like say them fat pass. You know, this is not Timma and Aranma. This is not how we used to know two of you. Aranma means say, come close to me. This is not, if you like say you don't add weight in the past 1 hour. Aranma, come close to me. It's like, this is not how you used to be that time. Okay, you know, there's something, it's like, you know, you don't increase your weight.
Overnight.
Therefore, make we come say shuna. My own question be say, then when thief this meat, what's it they want to do with the meat? You not go fresh for their body again now?
Well, maybe it's either they won't go sell them or they won't consume them.
You don't see this kind of meat now. After you sell this kind of meat, you can't come out. They look for transport, you know, see. Your motor don't spoil, fuel no day. How you, and you quickly get to go somewhere so you can offload the meat and put them for freezer. How you go do now? If you walk out for road with this meat, sun can't they beat you, the meat can't they, you know. Maybe we'll go market, come back. When we come back, we go enter on a matter. We'll talk fuel matter. We talk everything. This, you know, say, Saturday, they do election in one part of the country. I don't know. But I hear say, you know, something's happening, but I'm not the only person. We'll go market, come back. When we come back, we'll go enter the Gist Proper on Top Night Show. It can't be like prayer. I don't know, say, I don't know what that young man is, you know, thinking. But now in Kebo Easy Binbo, anybody who know him, please help me tell him. Make him know, you know, just say as it is. Sportable, you know, and all of that. Now welcome back on Top Night Show today. Anyhow Monday, we sit down on top of our TV screen. Anyhow, we say how. Me and Isibid. Hey! Hello, enter. Come in. Hey! Hey, Chemo. Chukudi. Come, Chukudi. You just come from work?
If I come out work by 4 o'clock.
What's happen? Why you just did it? No, after 8 now.
If you know the waka when I waka, even when our papa win election, those who trek go greater, they don't trek reach me.
Who be your papa?
Father of the nation.
My brother. Hey, you're welcome. So you come the waka?
I waka.
You don't see petrol?
No. Even the one when they even see self, the liter,
Isn't it they sell for 200 naira per liter for B-Town?
180.
B-Town, Benin.
For B-side.
They're lucky for that side now. Maybe because plenty of them they fly.
No, you know this thing, you can't talk now. Not be you and Unkubi, they sit down on top as in the hot every morning. They talk like say, I know what happened. Where our petrol go? Chukuri, now where you don't sit down, not true. Where our petrol go? Can throw them say tang. You sit down and be speaking on the English and you can speak. I get this of me, you say you don't know where petrol go, whether they fly. Waiting be the problem now. You as you know, somebody when like to talk. No, we'll talk this thing now. Waiting where fuel go inside this country. Me though, it's not Christmas, it's not New Year. Are you with me? You understand what I'm saying now? So make Chukudi answer. Remember when I begin call us any kind of fuel question when I get Chukudi, don't sit down here. He yours that in other part Nankubi never sit down, so it's okay. Half of one is one. Control is mathematics. So anyone is a how. Then you see, actually me get fuel for normal price. But you not talk where? Now Lagos or Bonny or B-side, yeah?
B-side.
Or Cali or hometown. You can make it specify your specifics, specify your address, your exact location where you get your fuel price and things. Where our petrol go, Chukudi?
I say if you get woman sympathy, for all the things I don't endure today, you not supposed to ask me say this situation.
I not agree. See who they talk.
I waka sweat dry for my body.
Yeah, Isibit also waka sweat dry for his body.
Dry.
Which one you know come do? Even our people when they watch us, they waka today, Chukudi. If you want to know how they waka, my brother.
But actually, you know this situation or this scenario.
Or this event.
Or this turn of events.
Yeah.
Now, something where we say. We go describe them as
a Bangles Velatut.
No, I don't want to use
the word.
Of Talidon, yes, confirm.
I don't want to use the word we go cause confusion.
No, we too get our own. You understand?
We too get our own.
You cannot try us. If you speak your own, we speak 3 of our own.
Okay, but what this situation now? What if we just call temporary situation?
Okay.
Now like a situation where we say when new wife just move enter in husband house today I come stormed to the setting. If you know as they be for olden days now before Ron's girls go enter now when they say they don't already know the house before they even
so who be new wife? The fuel now na new wife or
no? You know say this administration. This administration if they go through the period where they call the
trying time
or the Passover period. The Passover period. So we dey try one learn some kind things. Make we know as we go take care if we arrange the whole level.
Now make people come dey waka for road like this when Christmas never reach.
Somehow. And I make the whole situation about if they come. They don't they bring the thing come.
Fuel they come.
The vessel.
Which time you go land?
If plus or minus.
Which one you go laugh, my brother?
You know they sure.
No, it must they sure. You know, say in front of millions and millions of Nigerians when they watch, and you know, Nigeria in the diaspora, international Nigerians. So in no fit in word, you know,
joke.
He cannot do anything anyhow. Who can na? My husband say who can na?
Abel set me up. I just they talk and make the level they because you know they talk and people go they expect say the thing number, but I just say make I talk and you know not be say you know they come.
I don't tell you just
not be say you know they come, but the way when I talk and so that you know go be like say
okay, wait first. You go come before Christmas.
Exactly. You know the Christmas.
You know exactly yes or no?
You know the December now we see today na November 23rd. Christmas na December 25th. So and a day of celebration to celebrate the birth of our you understand. So this situation we they face now, you understand? Based on say you go as in Christmas, when we say you know the people Christmas like
so we expect say our girlfriend petrol fuel go down sit down house.
If you talk I agree with you.
See who they talk. From Lekki person day line, I beg Chukudi, don't confuse somebody. Don't bring that your sense of talk confuse us. Hello?
Good evening.
Evening.
Madam, how you doing?
Who there my line?
Na Chris, so.
Christopher.
Yes, so.
I don't hear to there.
Irioko.
Oh, me. Oh, you look at me. I forgot I'm there. I'll tell you about me.
Make you get filling session for over 30, in fact 5 hours.
Wow.
Over 5 hours.
Before the fuel.
Am I get the fuel? So you buy the fuel at normal price.
Normal price. Go one door close to second toll gate.
Okay, so there is hope.
But person will wait for queue for 5 hours before he gets for normal price. Then be say wahala don't do.
Why?
How
much you been saying me you buy them?
No, if you there 5 hours to just get normal price. Now be say wahala don't do now.
Christopher, that's all.
Okay.
Maybe of the icon you. You've chopped nice food. What did you chop? So yeah.
Na plantain the young son and
remember you are so say a man I married them plantain like dodo and egg. Okay. All right, come on for greet your wife, your family members, your children. Go to bed, go and sleep. Tomorrow is one. Good night. That is it. 5 hours.
5 hours. So
that's what you call a dedicated Nigerian. 5 hours on top. Hey, Chukudi. Me and Easy Bit here, we, you know, not be we talking, but we just here say they conduct election for
inside Kogi State.
Say the man just all of a suddenly, make it, you know bad though, the first day of election, the man had okay, but suddenly just like a miracle, close eye open, bam. The man just fall down. Conde, you know, we hear.
We just
say, in the just throw away blood on the ground. So, before you know, we can't, you know, here say, and don't come out. So we don't know if now, you know, we don't know if now, I don't know. So, as in they throw away blood, one ask you whether, if to say you did it, you know, we know say you go no. So, one ask you, waiting kill the man.
Hey!
Hey! We just now question now.
You know, say as you and Easy Beat, they get the information from the source.
No, not from the source to get them. We just the thing they fly.
The thing, the rumors.
Yes,
they fly.
They fly.
No, but actually, the thing what happen be say from people when talk, then talk say after before the election, say somehow in body they do am like say 1 week.
No, in body he's still there right now.
But some people talk say he get some things where like maybe as they in body weak.
Some people say, you know, say they tell us, me and Issy say, they say maybe as in they bleach that time, say maybe it's part of. I don't know. Now what in the
the kind things where you are easy.
Hey, my brother.
Now short pass. Now they very short pass.
No.
But the thing when just they say he get another twist when come enter inside.
Hold your twist. You could do hello. Which twist? You don't come again because we say then tell us hello. Adam.
Hello.
Your TV day too loud.
No, leave him. Me in there. He never ready to talk. Ngwanu bye.
Hello, can you hear me now?
No, we cannot hear you. Your TV day too loud. Off your TV.
Okay, I'll bring it down.
Ebo, off. Una no make heaven. Off it. Don't bring it down. Off your TV. Off the volume. Off it. Off it. Off. Off. On. Off. Off.
All right. I'll put it off.
Oh, you put it off. Uncle, you put it off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi.
Concerning the fuel scarcity, you understand? The thing is fucking everybody
Wait,
around.
too. Now, man, you be on a
Especially
woman.
unlike me.
Oh, now, man, you be on a woman.
A man, of course.
Yeah, man.
My brother, don't say of course, oh. Don't say for bad, My brother, speak broken English. Please speak in English. If you want to speak your English. Me, if I get my own vocabulary. Speak pidgin English.
Okay.
Please, keep talking.
Okay. You think so you know your bedroom? Which twist you talk? Because say me and Isi say we hear say
I hear of the twist. Say some people talk say because based on say in religion say na sharp as the thing happen. Now they go just put them say make you go join Baba God. But you get one twist when when they talk say some prophets. Now prophetess they even talk say he get the kind things when they do when we say they go if he come back. Come back.
I bet where the prophet name? Where you know where he?
So I know Sabi.
He gets so many people when I want bring back. Make them come back too.
Make them come back. Make them come back.
Sabi you say na him fit make.
And now what they talk say he talk now.
Oh.
Say the family then talk say no matter make it go there. Say the young people youths come talk say if these people fit talk say make it come out. Say make them do them now. And so then come force am. But then say then sing. Then dance.
You know wake up.
Then do everything. You know.
Hi.
Let me say they come face the prophet them.
They say no, you tell a lie. You say this go happen, it no go happen. From Ikorodu, hello, Abel. Where is Cain? Abel. Wherefore is Cain? Abel. No, Bante, Abel is afraid. Everybody in Ikorodu, everybody come be like say, you serve that house for Ikorodu. From Ikorodu, hello, wisdom and mercy. Wisdom.
Yeah.
This
is wisdom calling from Badagry.
But now you there back, Abi, you get dog.
Yeah, I get dog now.
My brother, tell the dog to calm down now. It's not quarrel. We know they fight. It's not quarrel.
This West Cassidy Matano is smart, you know.
My brother, oh yeah, tell me your own. How your fuel matter be? How you are waka for fuel?
We don't speak fuel by you.
You trek go house?
I trek now.
No, but you now you don't need trek. No be water you dey pass go house. You don't need fuel enough for water.
Huh? No, now you think we go carry cross bridge the cross.
No be your canoe.
Yeah, they get motor
no, we can do.
They get speedboats.
Oh, na speeding boats.
They do no con show today.
No, they do go find fuel.
They do go find fuel.
I ain't go find fuel.
I know be smart, you know. I dey miss am. I don't look at this man. They waka enter studio. I think they dey.
You see, say I don't know. Wisdom.
That your trouser no be here. You
like now design now. Wisdom. I get the designer. Designer extraordinaire.
He dey remember me of one picture with my papa snap when he did school that time. And that kind of dress.
Wisdom. I don't blame you because I do anyhow one day, so it's okay.
No, I like the swagger. I just like the swagger where I feel like.
The swagger of the trousers or the person where...
That entire no be cutlass. This one na member. Let me tell you, the greet.
Easy day, hear you.
Yes, boss. I hear you, man.
I hear you, fine guy. I see you.
Hey! Easy be fine guy.
For this square matter.
Oh yeah, bye. Go. I cast and I bind in. Oh, Akwa Basi Kenyong. Oh, abasi, nah, wisdom, get easy bit, I don't find man. Oh, abasi, I bind you. Oh, wisdom. Zero. How can you say easy bit, I don't find man? Please, oh, please. Please. Oh, please. Respect, you are safe. Now, we want to take a very quick break. We want to play you one fine music video because I want everybody. When we start the show, boys are not smiling, girls are not smiling. Nobody is smiling. Even the pocket is not smiling. After we are trekking or using your canoe and your paddle. To paddle, oh, paddle, la fence. There we go, you know. When we listen to one fine music, we they come back now. Yours, no go too far. Just enjoy the music with us.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.